Morning, morning. Hope you had an amazing weekend. Oh gosh, here we are, nearing December. Can you believe it? Where the hell has the year gone? I know everybody's saying the same. So I just wanted to jump on here and talk about disappointment because, well, I had a slight disappointment this morning and so did my partner. So last week we embarked on a let's try and lose some weight before Christmas. Some of you might have been seeing this. Some of you who know me probably know I'm doing this a lot. Anyway, we got on the scales this morning. I've lost half a pound and my partner Emma has gained 3 pounds. Now, we're not quite sure how or why, but, we haven't been perfect. We haven't been angelic. So we have to take some of the blame. We haven't followed, the plan that we chose completely to the letter. We've had a little kind of bit of this and a little bit of that. But actually, on the whole, we would have expected there to be some slightly better results. And Emma definitely didn't want to be putting on 3 pounds. So, so both disappointed this morning. Interestingly enough, both of us dealing with disappointment in a different way. And it just got me thinking, how do you deal with disappointment? Does it like disturb you and rock you and floor you? Or does it kind of get you motivated and get you off and fired up? How does it work for you? Do you think, oh, well, there's no point, may as well not bother, well, that didn't work, all that kind of self-talk that gets you back to the process you were using before or the programs you were running for that were getting you the old results? Or do you think, right, well, that didn't work, what can I try instead? So they call this solutions-based thinking. Do you think, oh, I'm going to go and do something new? Does it go, right then, I'm determined I'm going to do it differently? Does it motivate you and fire you up? How does it? What does it do? Put it under here. And then I thought to myself, gosh, we could never have known what was going to happen this year. And some people are quite disappointed. Some people celebrated big birthdays in lockdown. Some people had holidays cancelled. Some people have been more than disappointed. They've been devastated and lost their business. And then does it mean they've lost themselves? And it went on to a whole nother frame for me when I started to think about it. Did that create devastation? So not just kind of a bit of a desperation or a kind of a bit of a delay in achieving a result, but did it kind of floor people? Quite a lot of people decided they were just going to take some time out, which is fine. But actually, a lot of people decided, right, time to do something different. So does it make you move away from or towards the result that you're wanting to get? My dog's just walked in, sorry. If you were one of those people where you sadly lost your business or you were unable to trade like you were, did you then decide to do something different? And some people were furloughed, so it was great for them. They could be furloughed and go off and try something new. Or did you decide to just take a break? I'm really interested to hear how it all impacted you, because I don't think we're ever going to have another year like we've had, and let's hope not, eh? I mean, I've had a great year, of course, because I'm one of these people, annoyingly, that says, right, that happened, what can we do to change it? What can we do to shift it? What is the solution? What is the benefit? What is this teaching me? What am I learning from this experience? Forward thinking, solutions-based thinking, because there's no point in sitting in the pain. There's no point in sitting back in the problem. You always want to be going, okay, let's assess where the problems come from. Let's have a very logical look at where that's come from. None of that, oh, I was rubbish, I should have done that. Why didn't I do that? Why didn't I get my business online earlier? Some of you have been saying that. I've had lots of reports of that. It's not about that. It's about, okay, what can I do from here? So from this moment forward, how can I proceed? So if you've got stuff troubling you, and this is definitely for somebody, I'm not quite sure, and there's something you need a solution to, then stop being in the pain and the problem and start being in the solution and the answer and thinking about all the different options you've got. So Coaching 101. And if you need a hand with that, reach out to me. I do a Fast Fix 30. In fact, I've got a free 15 minutes with me, which you can do, and you can literally book until the end of today, in which case I'll put the link under here so you can get 15 rapid fire minutes, and they are properly rapid. So you need to be very clear on what your problem is, and we can solve that hopefully within 15 minutes. If not, you need a bit longer with me. Also tomorrow, for those of you that don't want to get to this time next year and feel disappointment or self-talk that is very disapproving, then actually I'm running my See It, Believe It, Achieve It for 2021, 12:30 UK time tomorrow for 90 minutes, very powerful session. We've got 86 people booked onto it. I'm aiming for 100, so if there's 14 of you watching this who want to sign up, then please do, because I don't like to not hit targets, because forward thinking, remember. So I'll pop the link for here. Very powerful, not just about visualizing and understanding what you want for next year, but programming it from the unconscious. So if it's in here, you're likely to put that plan into place rather than just a written plan. So lots of powerful NLP processes tomorrow. So I look forward to seeing you then. And happy December.